Where are we going?
As we all know, Halloween is the time of the year where there are no rules, yeah? That being said, we got some rules for you. Please remain seated whenever the tram is moving, keeping your arms and legs inside. And if you have any small children with you, I gotta ask you, what the hell were you thinking, really? Honestly. But if you do have any small children, please set them more towards the center of the rows, away from the outside gates, and you're clear. And also, if you have any emergencies of any kind, reach up and grab the emergency cord on top of the tram. I'll come right back to assist you. Now, I assume that most of you are horror movie fans, am I right? Yeah! Well, you're in the right place. Universal is known for their horror movies, as we are about to take you to... Whoa! Whoa!
I want to play a game. All of you are here tonight for one reason. You want to be scared. You want to know the thrill of being close to death without ever having to confront it face to face. This is why you watch horror movies. To experience death at a safe distance. Well, tonight, all of that is about to change. When this vehicle stops, the doors will open and you will get out and walk through a series of tests. And let me ask you, there are robberies. For you and your friends, horror movies are an act of rebellion. You're drawn to anything that your parents object to. But do your parents live or die? The choice is up to you. Let the game begin.
Okay, you heard the puppet. Yeah. Right.
Channel 4.
What movie is this from?
I don't know. Batman, War of the Worlds? Yeah. Oh, man.
taking you back to Halloween Horror Nights. That's my whole purpose here right now. You guys have everybody in your group, right? That was the whole point of this whole exercise, just
Your
keep it together.
is a little premature.
Okay.
To pass this test, you needed to survive it as a
As a
group.
group.
But
Yeah, and I don't know why this keeps happening.
lose one, lose all.
Okay, I believe I just asked you guys if you kept everybody in the group. Is anybody missing someone? Yes. Does the girl you're missing happen to have a white hoodie and blonde hair? Because that chick is apparently MIA. If you see her on the tram, please raise your hand. That would be really awesome if we found her. Okay, there she is. That sucks. If you scream, the walls will stop spinning, so you guys just scream. It's keep it going. We're going the other way now, you guys. Keep screaming.
Can't send you away without a parting gift.
Lovely.
In 10 seconds, the entire vehicle will be sprayed with a powerful acid compound, dissolving flesh and bone on contact. I'm afraid this is the end of the line. Game over.
Acid. It's burning my skin. It stinks. Ow. Burned off my face. Awesome. We all survived. Yay. You're done with the terror tram. Yay. I get to get rid of you now. Yay. Perfect. At your screens.
Congratulations, you survived.